we want to update the raw data. So we go to data. What we want actually is experiment data. So the first step will be to say CSV, we want to unblind because we need uh, the IDs. Otherwise, we would not have the IDs. We want all data. We want long form. We want to include actions and continuous short and and then we want to regenerate data. So this is important. So usually it won't take so as long as they accommodate. Pause here. Right, sure. So here we have the downloaded data. The last digit we have here, task hyphen and a 4-digit code. This is different from, this is not a participant ID. Participant IDs have 5 digits for us, 5 characters. This is 4 characters. And if we scroll here, we need to we need to click and move up and down. What we find is that we have at the bottom right corner of this, too small but too important, we have task hyphen and a 4-digit code. So this is the match, right? This is a bit of a riddle, but it is what it is. So we go ahead and find this 7kgt. The 7kgt is at the bottom right corner of this box here. If I click, I get this, but I don't want to click, so I press escape. 7kgt. 7kgt corresponds to the serial reaction time task placed third, right? Third, because we can see 1, 2, and 3. So we are going to rename this serial reaction time 3. We want to use exactly the same convention that we have been using because otherwise we will have trouble with the file path. So what we are going to do is to copy directly to ensure that we use exactly the same. We are going to copy this, copy and paste here. There we are. We go to the next one. Task BMXP. Task BMXP is this one. This is serial reaction time 2. So that's what we are going to do here. So serial reaction time 2. Next one is task XRBT. I bet this is going to be serial reaction time 1 because of the size, right? The different tasks have different sizes. So task XRBT, task XRBT. There we are, 1. That's sorted for us. That's our serial reaction time data. Next is task 2F5Q. Task 2F5Q. There it is. Digit span 3. But again, to use exactly the same convention so that the file paths remain valid, we want to copy here. That was once again. So notice that I'm switching split. I keep the downloads stable, and here I switch between. This is a lot of switching, but a lot of necessary switching of files. So the left is fixed, and in the right I'm switching between our data and the browser. And yeah, so here we said digit span 3 to F5Q to F5Q digit span 3. There we are. Next is 6UZ8. 6UZ8 is digit span 2, right? Because digit span is placed second. So digit span 2. Next is INCD.